Hi, my name is Wayne Avis from East Hampton Garden Apartments. Today I'd like to go over the basic wiring of a three-way switch. First thing we want to take a look at is the switch. On the bottom right hand side, this terminal is referred to as the common. This screw is a black colored screw. On the top side, left and right, these terminals are referred to as the traveler. These screws are brass colored. Okay, next thing we have is our lines coming in from the breaker panel. This is your hot wire and this is your neutral wire. Next we want to take a look at is your traveler wires. So on the left hand side of your three-way switch, we have a red wire which travels over to your second switch. Now if you notice, this red wire is out on the right hand side, and on this terminal it's over on the left hand side. So our second traveler wire, the black wire here, is traveling from the right hand side of the switch and is connected over to the left hand side of the switch. So what happens is when you turn the power on, or excuse me, when you turn the switch in the up position, the power is going to travel from this terminal to this terminal, go down this traveler wire, and if you have this switch in the down position, now the power is going to travel from this terminal over to this terminal and up to your light fixture. So the same thing goes in reverse. If this switch is in the down position, power is going to travel from your common, that's your black wire coming in from your breaker panel, supplying your power to the switch. It's going to come in on your common terminal, travel over to the traveler wire. It's going to come across and it's going to come in to this terminal. So if this switch is in the up position, now the power is going to travel from your travel terminal down to your common and up to your light fixture. Okay, by now you must have realized I've got colored electrical tape up on the board. So what I did was I got red electrical tape here on this red wire, and I used yellow tape here on the black wire. Probably hard to see it, but I got some white electrical tape here for the neutral wire. Reason why I did that is because next we're going to go take a look at a real circuit, so you can reference the drawing here on the board to the actual circuit we're going to go take a look at. We are at junction box number 1. Safety first. Turn your breaker off. To ensure that the circuit is not energized, test it with a meter. Okay, on this circuit, this is the hot wire coming from the breaker panel, which also is paired with one of the white wires here on the common side. On this terminal, this one is a traveler, which I got indicated here with the yellow tape. On the other side of the switch, the other red wire is the other traveler wire. So when we flip this switch up, the power is going to go from this terminal to this terminal, down the black wire to the other end of the circuit. Okay, now we're down here at junction box number 2. Again, we have the common terminal, not to be confused with a neutral white wire. So at the other end of the circuit, depending on which position we flip the switch to, the power is going to travel down the traveler wire, which is either going to be your red wire or your black one, the one I indicated here with the yellow tape. When the switch is in the down position, the power is going to come from this side and travel down to the common terminal and up to the light fixture. Okay, let's just do a quick recap here. Black wire coming in from your breaker panel is your hot wire feeding to switch number 1, paired up with your white wire, which is your neutral wire. Your common terminal is indicated with the black screw. Your top 2 travelers are indicated brass screw. Just remember, red wire left side on switch number 1, so on switch number 2 it's going to be on the right side. Black wire is on the right side of switch number 1, so your black wire is going to be on the left side of switch number 2. Just want to thank everybody for watching this tutorial and have a safe day.